Good afternoon, almost good evening, people of the grid. It's my day here is done. I'm just at the airport. My flight's being delayed, so waiting for a flight to come in. Apparently they ran into some snow, I think back in Calgary. So we're waiting for that flight to get here, and then that's the one that's going to take me home. Tammy's been running around with the kids. She's got like two of them that had to go for orthodontist visits, and then Amelia's got to go for an adjustment or something. She's got basketball. By the way, yesterday, Ethan did a performance, and then Tammy went to see Amelia's first basketball game. Check that out right here.
So I had a nice, relaxing morning and a nice lunch with a friend in the afternoon. I was kind of preparing myself for this afternoon because Mike was away, and it got crazy. So I picked up Amelia from school and some of her friends, took them to basketball, dropped them off at a tournament that we found out about last week. Then I went and I picked up Ethan from school. I went and I took the kids to the other two to, where are they? Piano lessons. Now I'm over trying to get a few minutes of the basketball game until I go back and pick up the kids at piano and hopefully take everybody to Ethan's band concert, unless Amelia loses this game and then she has to stay here. So now I don't know how she's getting home. I think she has to find a ride. Anyway, here we go. Hope we can see some basketball. I hope I'm not too late. They lost. So she has to stay. She's not going to get to see her brother's concert. I'm not going to get to see her play anymore today anyway. They play again tomorrow because it's a tournament. But now I got to go pick up the girls from piano. So we're here at Ethan's band concert. Look at Ethan, looks very dapper. And the only one missing, so we have Sammy and Lissa. Say hi to the people of the grid. There they are. The only one missing is Amelia because she has a game at the same time as the concert. So I'm super excited. This is the first time we actually get to see you guys in full concert. So it'll be good. So what'd you think?
It was good.
Yeah, it was pretty awesome, eh? You'll be that good when you're in senior high too. You will be. You're good at music. Let's see what Lissa thinks. What'd you think of the concert, Lissa? Yeah, she's speechless. Hey, well done, Ethan.
Thank you.
What'd you guys think?
I thought it was great.
I thought you did great. Let's go get your other sister.
Sounds good.
Thank you.
They're doing pretty good. They're awesome. I'm so sad I missed it. I wish I was back home, but I will be tonight. And it sounds like Tammy's got a lot of stuff that she wants to get done tonight. So I might be on groceries duty. I might be on Christmas present wrapping duty. I think she's got a lot for me to do when I get home. So just waiting for my flight to come in. It's a good day here in the winter peg. That's my plane out there. It landed. It got a flat tire. That's going to cost us another hour. Made it on my flight. We're finally headed home. We didn't have to take the plane with a blown tire. They got us a new one. And I met one of our people from the grid. His buddy's a pilot here for Air Canada. Got to meet him. Mario, nice to meet you. All right, I'm gonna shut this down and relax. it. It's all dark outside, but I'm back home. It's good to be on the ground here in Calgary. The car is nice and warm. I am finally heading home. We got snow. I think we're gonna have snow for Christmas. Yes. Well, traffic is so bad. Tammy couldn't go get Amelia. Her basketball game's done, so she asked me to stop by here. So she's closer to the airport than Tammy was. So I'm here to pick up Amelia. Hey, Amelia. Sammy, Lissa, you guys gonna clean that up?
The ref what? This?
Yeah.
The ref what?
You're sorting them? Good sports in tonight.
Thank you.
So we finally made it home. It's just about 9 o'clock. I've dropped Amelia off. She's having supper. I'm gonna run and get some groceries. Tammy's been baking away like crazy. She made these little, what are they called? Italian
Waffle cookies.
waffle cookies. Pizzellis. They're really good. You being busy?
Mostly driving.
Yeah, it's brutal getting around the city. Like from the airport to here took forever. How's the iron working?
It's awesome. Works really well.
Cool. Okay, I'm gonna go to the grocery store.
Thank you.
It is seriously crazy out there. It's like a massive snowstorm. You can barely move around. Snow everywhere. Cars are covered in snow. Now I'm out shopping. There's nobody here. Got some really cool streamlining going on the Light Runner. Look at this. Well, guys, it's about 10:30. I've got pretty much got everything that Tammy had on her shopping list. She's still baking. Are you taking a nap there, Tam?
I just gotta close my eyes for a minute. I'm getting a cold.
Is there something in the oven?
No.
But I think that's pretty much a night for us here. Crazy day. The weather was actually much nicer in Winnipeg. I got back here into the middle of a snowstorm. Everything was moving so slow. Traffic is slow. Planes are barely getting going. It's going to be a tough couple of days. So looks like we're going to have snow for Christmas, which is great. I'm now back, which is also great, and looking forward to the next couple of days. Kids have school for the next 2 days, and then they're off for the break. So really looking forward to that. Thanks for hanging out with us. We will catch up with you tomorrow. Miker, out.